If you're thinking of leaving your job, gawin mo muna to. The first thing you have to do is do an assessment. Assessment means tingnan mo muna ang financial status mo, tingnan mo muna kung meron kang buffer. Kung wala, paano mo bubuin yung plano na magkaroon ka ng buffer? Kasi kung wala kang gagastusin for the next few days, ano ka maghahanap ng work? Pero doon sa mga naiwan na at wala ng work, wala na talagang pag-asa, maybe it's about time you make a research kahit kay ChatGPT, hindi lang kay Google, kung ano yung possibilities to work in a global scene. Anong industries yan? Kailangan mo ng way magkaroon ng work muna habang inaaral mo mga to. So, lahat tayo nasa phase na everyday working student. Kasi kahit ako na meron na akong work, I'm still upskilling to get a better paying job. Ikaw, kailan mo papasukin ang better paying job as a freelancer? Hindi tayo pwede pare-parehas nagbo-bookkeeping, nag-accounting, nagta-type, or sa any type of course na tinapos mo. So, dapat may sarili tayong mga skill set. At kung marketing ka, pwedeng social media, mag-TikTok live. Pwede tayo dyan.